riding. I'll include a little bit of that video. I have not been on a bike in over 30 years. You guys know I've lost 20 pounds. And my friend's like, what made you want to do this? I'm like, I don't know. I've always seen other people do it. I've often lived through other people. And now I'm living through me, through my eyes. So we rented bikes. And the funny thing about it is we tried to rent them on the phone like before getting here. And as we first arrived, we couldn't find any. Everybody was closed. And then we went to walk just to get a little treat of some sort. And the lady, I said, do you guys sell bikes and rent bikes? And she was like, yes, we do. So she was like, we can keep them till 7. So going one way was easier, but now going back, we had to stop. I had to stop because it's a little harder. The wind is picking up. So I'll just show you a little bit of the beach too. But you're not in the picture. But this is my first time riding a bike on the beach. And I'm feeling pretty so, 20 pounds less. Let's get it. So I wanted to tell you why I am riding my bike on the beach and how that came about really quick. So I embarked on this weight loss journey maybe about 6 months ago. And I lost my mom, I lost my dad, I lost my father-in-law, and my sister in death. After seeing so much death in my life surrounding me, I just decided I'm going to live and have different adventures. As you are on this channel with me, I will talk about my weight loss journey, but I also will be showing you different experiences. I've gone to a winery, I've gone to a museum. None of the things I'm doing can replace my family members, okay? So that's not what I'm trying to do. Because somebody might say, well, so what? Now you got to live. I know that. I know that. And that's why I'm having different experiences, like riding my bike on the beach. For me, this is a big deal. And I am having so much fun. And again, I get to do it with my bestie and my hubby. I'm getting ready to see if he'll come out for a little bit. You won't see him on no camera or nothing, but just know that he is here. And if you are struggling and trying to lose weight, don't give up. This has been a slow process for me. I am not lying. I'm doing Weight Watchers, as I already stated. But I am having and living my best life. I mean, I would have never thought I would be out here on a bike at this age, at this stage. But if I was 20 pounds heavier, I probably would not have. And I told my friend, I'm always living and enjoying life through other people. I'm like, that's what they do. Oh, that's really nice for them. I want to be them. People are watching me and my friend out here at this beach like we're unicorns. They have never seen it before, okay? And they're looking like, ooh, and they're cheering us on. Wasn't somebody actually kind of like applauding us? You know, so they're like, get it, ladies, okay? Get it, get it, get it. So I am enjoying this stage of my life. I can't believe it. Again, I'll say it for the umpteenth time. I'm on the beach riding a bike. Alright, if I can do it, anybody can. And another little word of advice, don't wait until you are in your 50s to enjoy life. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Alright. I'll see you guys. People are just constantly cheering us on as we're out here. That's why I keep getting a little distracted. They can't believe we're out here. I'll be honest, it's like an anomaly. They're looking like, who are they? Like we're Oprah and Gail out here or somebody. All right, well, I might add some more to this later, but until now I'm signing off, okay? This is Kimmi at the beach on the bike. What? Yeah! Okay, here's Kimberly. Her first time riding a bike on the beach. And she is so happy. She is living the life. Yes, she is. There's my bike. There's Kimberly enjoying herself. And she is killing it. She is
on the beach at that.
on the beach. Yes. I'm so proud of you. My friend got an iPhone, y'all. I don't know how to use it no more. Now that I'm Samsung, she and I always have that debate. Okay, Jeff, how you feel about riding these bikes now, right now?
Well, it's a windy day. It's good going with the wind, but going against it's going to be kind of rough.
I think so.
Yeah.
So, full transparency.